guys, in this video I'll show you on how to remove TikTok watermark. Open the TikTok app on your mobile, then search the video clip that you want to download.
Redefine, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get declined.
Tap the share icon, then save a video. After saving the TikTok video, use Bcut to remove watermark. Simply download the program from this site and install it. Once all set, run the program and select this aspect ratio. To add files, simply hit Import, Import File, then choose the video from your local drive. From there, drag the uploaded file to the work area, then drop it. Next, click the video on the timeline, then hit Crop. Then, select the parts that you want to remove. When you are done, click OK. Lastly, save the video by clicking the export icon and set the file name and output folder. Hit Export to start rendering your video.
Redefine, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get declined, oh Lord.
And that is the easiest way to remove TikTok watermark. Thanks for watching!